Hello students, today I am going to teach you about how to draw the angles by using the protractor. Means how we can construct the angles by using the protractor. Okay, so all of you open your book, look at the page number 134 and all of you take out your protractor also. Okay, सभी अपने पास protractor अपने हाथ में रखेंगे. Okay, so let's start the study. How to draw the angles, how we can construct the angles by using the protractor. Exercise 6.4. First question, draw the angles using a protractor. How to draw? Suppose we want to draw the angle of 90 degree. Angle of 90 degree. How we can draw? First, we have to hold the protractor firmly. Keep this protractor properly on the paper. Mark the center point by using the pencil. Draw the one ray. Draw one ray. Okay? Yes. Now we have to draw the angle of 90 degree. Where is the 90 degree? 90 degree on the center. Here. Mark by the pencil. Remove the protractor. Now join the both point. Okay. Now mention the name of both arms OA, OB. Okay. And what is the measurement of this angle? 90 degree. So like that we have to measure the angle. Okay. So let's start the exercise. Exercise 6.4. First question, 45 degree. What is the question? 45 degree. We have to measure the angle of 45 degree. What we have to do? आप सभी अपने हाथ में प्रोटेक्टर रखिए. First draw the, mark the point, center point of the protector. Draw the one arm. Draw the one arm. Is it clear? Yes. Now 45 degree. There is no 45 degree here. And which scale we have to use? We have to draw to construct the angle. Always we have to use the inner scale. जब भी हम एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे हमेशा always we use the inner scale. हमको inner scale use करना है. Okay. So 45 degree. 45 degree is where? Between the 40 and 45. 40 and 50, there is a 45. First we see the inner scale. Inner scale में आप देखिए 40 और 50 के बीच में between the both numbers there is a line. That is the line for 45. Okay, mark by the pencil. Remove the protractor. Join the both point. Yes. Now put the arrow and naming of the angle A, B, C. Okay. What is the measurement of this angle? 0 to 90, then 100, 110, 120, 30, 140. So mark by the pencil 140. Now join the both point. Okay. Naming of the angle X, Y, Z. It's a measurement of this angle is 140 degree. It's which type of angle? 140 means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. It means it is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now question number 5, 30 degree. Once again, center point, draw the arms from this point, 30 degree. 30 degree. 0, 10, 20 and 30. Mark by the pencil on the 30 number. Join the both point. Yes, it is a 30 degree. Okay, and we can naming of an angle by any letter. L, M, N. Okay, next question. It's a which type of angle? It is a acute angle. Acute angle. Question number 6, 165. 165 means between the 165 between, see the inner scale, 165 means between the 160 and 170. Between these two numbers, it is a big line. Okay, means between the two numbers there are the small 10 parts. So यहाँ पर आप 5th part पे देखिए. Okay, that is this number for the 160, 165, then 170, 175, then 180. Okay, तो जब भी इस तरीके से कोई नंबर देते हैं तो आपको दो नंबर के बीच में आपको फाइंड करना है. 165 degree. 165 degree. Once again, mark center point marked. Then draw the one arm. Yes. Now अब इस पे रखना है आपको इस पॉइंट पर. अब देखिए 165. See the inner scale between the two number 160 and 170. This point for the 165. Now join the both points. Yes. Okay. इसको आपको ठीक से मेजर करना है. आपके पास में जो है ट्रांसपेरेंट बहुत ही थीन प्रोटेक्टर है, तो इजीली यू कैन ड्रॉ द एंगल बाय यूजिंग दैट वन प्रोटेक्टर. ये थोड़ा सा थिक है, इस वजह से थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. ओके, आपके पास में जो प्रोटेक्टर होगा एक तो ट्रांसपेरेंट है, इजीली यू कैन सी द बेस लाइन. ओके, एंड द रे ऑल्सो यू कैन सी. आप ऐसे रखेंगे ना तो आपको नीचे का रे भी दिखाई देगा. नाउ नेमिंग ऑफ दिस एंगल R, S, T, and measurement of this angle is 165 degree. It's which type of angle? It is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So like that we can draw the many angles. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, प्रोटेक्टर की हेल्प से कई सारे एंगल बनाने. आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग जो है कुछ भी 10 नंबर ले लें और उसके प्रोटेक्टर से आप उसको ड्रॉ करिए. एंड ऑल्सो आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ द एंगल. एंड अदर 2 more questions. Question number 7. Question number 7. 65 degree. 65 degree. 65 degrees where between the 60 and 70. Between 60 and 70 it is the 65. Okay, between 60 and 70. Always we have to use the inner scale. आप अंदर वाला स्केल यूज कर रहे हैं एंगल को ड्रॉ करने के लिए. एंड वी हैव टू see the number 65. So between the 60 and 70 it is this line for 65. Okay, so look at on the blackboard. Look at here. First draw the center point. Also draw the one ray from this point. Okay. Now just इस point के ऊपर आपको protector को रखना है. 65 between the 60 and 70. 65. Remove the protector. Join the both point. Yes. X, Y, Z. आप कोई भी लेटर अपने अकॉर्डिंग दे सकते हैं. This is a 65 degree. Means it's a which type of angle? Acute angle. Acute angle. 65 degree means less than 90 degree. Next question number 8. Question number 8, 110 degree. 110 degree. Once again, mark the point, center point. Draw the arm with this point. Okay? Yes. Now 110. See the inner scale. Where is the? In the inner scale, where is 110? 0, 10, 20, 30, up to going 110. Okay, 110 is on this position in the inner scale. Okay, so हम 110 पे हमको इस point पर mark करना है. So 0 and 110 mark on this point. Now join the both point. Yes. Q, R, S. And the measurement of this angle is 110 degree. And it's a which type of angle? It's a greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. That is why it is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So like that we can draw the many angles. Follow the method and can draw the different angles. Okay, so it's compulsory for you to practice by using the protector. Okay, thank you.